First one, for me, those moments that made me choose to stay was just the small and happy things in my life. Sundays with the family, yung mga tawanan sa bahay, having a get-together with friends, reunion, mga gala, ganyan. Or simply yung pagkain namin sa labas ng girlfriend ko. Those small, happy moments remind me that life is good. I realized that I don't have to handle everything on my own. Pag may problems, sinusolo ko lang ganun. Pero as I grow old and dumadami na yung responsibilities, I learned that it's okay to lean on others. And pag ganun, mas yung mga problems ko, I feel they're much smaller and it's easier to manage actually. Okay, my family, my friends, my special someone, sila talaga, seeing how much they care about me gives me the energy to keep going. Cliche man, pero yun talaga. Lalo na ngayon na may bagong line of business. Nagbukas tayo ng music school. And then apart from that, meron pang ibang line of job in the field of IT and syempre music. So yan, they are the reasons I want to do better and try again every day. Yes, especially when things get out of control and hard for me. I think back to those moments of support and bonding. Palagi kong binabalikan talaga yung mga moments na yun. Kasi they always remind me that I'm never alone.